What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today's video we're going to unbox $200 survival kit. Let's see what it got. But first I finally have a game for all of you RPG lovers out there. I never gotten so addicted to a game so quickly. Alliance Hero of the Spire. It has over 400 unique heroes that you can combine in over 10,000 different ways. There's two awesome game modes, fighting to the death against crazy giant bosses, which is my favorite, or battle real people in the PvP mood. And not to mention really massive combat battles between guilds, and those are sick. I can talk about this game all day, but it's better for you to check it out yourself. Download Alliance now only through my links below, and you will get a massive bonus of 50,000 gold and 50 gems right away. That's huge. See you guys in the game. Okay, let's see what we got here. There's the first compartment, fire striker right here with the power cord. I love how long the power cord is, so that way it's easier to strike. Usually they give you a really tiny rope, so you can't even strike the striker. Okay, let's see what else we got here. This is a fire starter, and it's a long burn, burns for 10 to 15 minutes. No harmful chemicals, safe to start near food. That's really cool. We'll have to put this to the test later. And let's see how many came. 2 of them. Sweet, I love these forks. It's a spork and a knife on the side. There is 2 of them. These things are amazing. I think these ones are plastic. I have at home metal ones and I use them all the time. Obviously the metal ones are much better. There's a little compartment right here. That's a nice backpack. Sweet. Couple of whistles in case you need to make noise. And I think this is it with this pocket. Okay, let's see what's in the inside of the next pocket. Let me take off this. Handy bath. Extra thick bath wipes. Wow, I never seen anything like that. I'll have to put it to the test. So in case you're camping out in the forest, in the mountains, there's no rivers close by, that way you can wipe off like a wet towel with these wipes, like, you know, all your parts, especially the sweaty parts, so that way you clean yourself up. This is 8 wipes. I never seen anything like that. Sustain emergency blanket. I love those blankets. 2 of them right here, so it's like for 2 people, I guess. Those are really heat your body up really good. I love them. Okay, looks like that's it. I love the compartment. Okay, let's open up the next compartment. Ooh, it looks like we have a lot of goodies inside here. Looks like this is gonna be our main compartment. Let's see what we got. Oh, nice, life store. I was actually going to buy mini life store. 100,000 gallons. You can just put it on a water bottle and it's going to filter water right to the water bottle. Love this thing. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, nice. Whoa, there's so many of them. Mountain house. Half of them taste delicious. Half of them are so-so. Granola with milk and blueberries. I guarantee you this one is going to be delicious. And there's 3 of them. The granola. And there's a couple of rice and chicken. Freeze-dried food. So that's awesome. All you have to do is just boil water. Just wait 5 to 10 minutes and it's gonna be cooked from boiled water. And these things don't go bad for years. Okay, what else we got? Nice. I love these glow sticks. This is 12-hour glow sticks. They are very powerful. Ooh, I already have this kind of knife, I think. Or maybe just similar, but this is a pretty cheap knives. So I'm not gonna be worried about bending it up and ruining it, but look how thick it is. I love this knife. It's just a really good everyday cheap knife. You don't have to be worried about because you didn't pay $100 on a knife. Definitely going to be using in the future videos, survival videos. Okay, let's see what else we got here. There's some big piece. Boom. Oh, nice. You know I use these things all the time. Looks like this is a camping stove and camping pots. You know I need a new one. My old ones have got so old now, so this is so awesome. That includes the camping pot. You know, every time I cook a Marie, you probably seen it. I use this camping pots all the time. These ones are my favorite. I can't believe it's included in this survival kit. And what's this is? Gotta be like a camping stove, maybe a wood camping stove. Let's see. Yes, it is. I actually been wanting to buy one of this wood camping stove, but I never did, and there you go, I finally got it. Whoa, is that a little like a wash pot? It's all sealed up. I love that it's sealed. I'm just gonna open it up because it's not going anywhere. I'll be using it. Nice, there's a couple of them. Collapsible pots. Love it. That's a lot. I didn't expect to get that much of stuff for only $200. Boom, emergency drinking water. There is a lot of pockets right there. And guess what? It's not over. There is another pack of emergency drinking water. That's awesome. It stays good in those bags for many, many years too. And I also already put those to the test. I made a video about them. They're delicious. First aid kit. I'm pretty sure this is a standard first aid kit. Let me just open it up and see what it looks like. Probably mostly band-aids and, like, you know, for the small cuts and blisters. Yep. And there's ointments, aspirin, maybe there's some burn medicine, you know, antibiotics. If you burn yourself, like antibiotic cream that you can put on your wound. Love it. Very simple, but quite a bit of stuff in there. Okay, what else we got? Flashlight. There you go. It better include flashlight in the survival $200 kit. And of course it does not include the battery. Does it? Let me open it up and see. Yep, looks like it just takes 3 AAA batteries. Oh wow, look at that zoomable flashlight. Those are so popular. It comes out like this. And what else we got here? I love how everything inside of it with their logo in a box. So they did put a thought into it, not just threw a bunch of stuff in. Wow, they actually have their own brand. Look at that. It's also sustained, and most of them are sustained. You see, like a backpack. And this is a little lantern. You already know lanterns are very useful. I bet there is no batteries either. They should have included batteries with that, because what if we didn't check and look, we need 3 AAA batteries and it's a LED lantern. Looks cool. But yeah, I wish they included a pack of batteries for each flashlight, because what if we didn't open this backpack and didn't know that it was no batteries in there and go in a survival excursion and there was no batteries, and all this flashlight would have been useful. I mean useless. And what is this right here? Oh wow, that's cool. You can make your backpack much thicker, like a suitcase. Wow, I never seen a backpack that extends like that and make yourself a much bigger backpack. That's really cool. I like this backpack a lot. Okay, now we're going to try to survive with this backpack. What I'm going to do is start a fire, boil some water, and then cook some food. It's a nice warm day. We might have rain, but it was raining all day, so not as fun. Most of the wood is kind of wet. There you go. Already comes with the water, so I don't need to filter water just yet. This is nice. I got some small firewood, so hopefully it'll be enough to get the water boiling so we can cook some food. And the bottom for the oxygen. There you go. Wow, this is pretty big. I thought it's gonna be a lot smaller. On the pictures it looks a lot smaller. Got here a fire starter. Whoa, look at these pellets. Interesting. Need to transfer it all inside of here. I'll get a bunch of small twigs first of all, stick them in here. I got bark. I open up this fire starter and put in here. And I love how this striker, look how much space I have with this power cord. Plenty. Wow, is it already burning? Wow, that was easy to light it up. It came off right here. Nothing that we can fix. There you go, now it's burning. Okay, it's burning pretty good. What I'm gonna do is just either set it under, or actually I'm just gonna pour it in there. There you go. And I'll just put the rest in there as well. And now we're going to get a good fire going. Oh man, it better not rain, because it will ruin everything. Looks like it's 200 milliliters each. I'll fill it up all the way. Now the little sticks are going, I'm gonna fill up the bigger sticks. So that way the fire is sustainable. I honestly have never put to the test this wood camping stove, and as you can see, it works pretty good so far. Okay, we can use that for this. My pot is not big enough, so this will work for that. While we're getting the fire going, in case it's, you know, temperature drops, there's big clouds, we can get the survival blanket and warm ourselves up and actually hide from the rain. And boom, check this out. Now we can survive. I guess whistle I can use in case I need to make some noise, somebody close by but they cannot see me. It's pretty loud, I like it. You know what guys, I'm gonna put to the test this bath wipes. Oh, you know what, I should have opened this stick right here, because it's resealable this way. Okay, don't make the same mistake I did. So that way they don't go bad if you open it like that. Let me try to, whew, smoky. Whoa, it is thick, it is super thick. Let me try to wash my face. Oh my gosh, that's so refreshing. Whew. It smells good too, so maybe if you camp, hike for like 10 miles a day, that could be very nice, and you know, you can wash yourself up. Wow, this is so cool. I of course start with the face first and then probably go down, you know, but this is nice. It smells super nice, and look, it's actually pretty dirty after all that stuff that I use, sticks and everything. Perfect way to sanitize my hands before I start eating. You know what guys, this one says add half a cup of cold water to pot, so we don't even need hot water for this, but for the other food we will need hot water. No big deal. Okay, half a cup, I'll just go and put 200 milliliters. And it says stir well, and also if you want thicker granola, you just add less water. Oh man, it's starting to really rain. Oh man, gotta hide. No big deal. Whoa, water is boiling so well. I love this stove. Feeding firewood is so easy, and everything protects it from the rain. So very nice. I can take this off now. Carefully add 2 cups or 16 ounces of water. That's 24 ounces. Let's see how much is 16 ounces. I love how this one tell you the ounces right here. That's about 16 ounces of hot water. And again, we will need to mix this bag, and we'll just need to zip tie it, and once again we need to shake it up so it mixes all inside there, and then we wait 8 to 9 minutes. Sweet. Look at this amazing wood fire camping stove. This is a perfect time to show you how easy it is to feed it. You just continue, oh it's hot. You just continue pushing all the twigs in, and that way you got yourself a continuously feeding fire. You probably have to add on some more sticks at this point. I'm just letting it die now. But this is awesome. Okay, time to taste test this granola, see what it's all about. Ooh, look at that, this is awesome. So much blueberry. This is delicious. Thumbs up for me. This granola, milk and blueberry. Okay guys, so rice and chicken, let's taste test this stuff. Looks good, man. You can put it in those bowls if you want, you know, that it comes with, but you can also eat it right out of the pouch. Wow, this is actually so delicious. I can't believe it. So easy to cook. Just fill up 16 ounces of hot water and ready to go. And chicken tastes pretty good. You know, I had eggs before over Mountain House. It was not that good. So maybe stay away from eggs, but this chicken and rice and granola was amazing. I guess you have to try all of them and see which one you like the most. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this survival backpack kit. It's probably the biggest survival kit I ever put to the test. Most likely most expensive so far. So give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.